Better turn up, bro, blow it on up till I can't even think no more. Thinking right to go dumb, then go more dumb, then we can keep it lit, let's go.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, we are from group 2. Let me introduce my group. My name is Maulana Cia Ramadan Sepira.
My name is Febi Ayu Airin.
My name is Iksan Firmansyah.
My name is Melanur Aisyah.
My name is Ashifan Aini.
And she is Naila Dwi Fitrianti. We would like to presentation about procedure text.
How to use grinder.
The material are we need, grinder and roast bean coffee. Happy watching!
First, connect the grinder cable to the power outlet. Second, put the roast bean into the grinder. Third, set the fines to the desired coffee fines medium. Next, prepare a container under the grinder hole.
Next, turn on the power button. After that, turn off the power button and unplug the plug cable from the socket. Finally, coffee from the grinder is ready to be brewed.
That's all our presentation about how to use grinder. Sorry if there are still many shortcomings, and thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye everyone!